Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It is going to be a cleaning video today. You guys seem to like those, and I always have stuff to clean, so it's going to be a cleaning video. But before we get into that, I have a little bit to talk about. I'm very excited because a company has decided to partner up with me for this video, and I'm super excited. It's my first partnership since starting YouTube. The company is called Luisa, and if you've never heard of them, they are a jewelry store, and their pieces are just like so dainty, so unique, so on trend. So I'm really excited to be doing this today with them. Okay, let me talk to you a little bit more about Luisa and their company. So starting off with my personal favorites, and I think some of you guys will agree with me here, but Luisa is 100% carbon neutral. And if you don't know what that means, that's okay. I wasn't too sure when I heard it either. So I had to do some Googling, and I'll try to explain it to you the best I can. So essentially, everything we do leaves a carbon footprint, down to like powering our homes or driving our cars. To neutralize that, we would want to do things like add solar panels or buy an electric car. And obviously adding solar panels and buying an electric vehicle, it comes with the cost that's not available to most of us just living our day-to-day lives. So it is important that companies who can afford to make that change do make that change. Is it do's or does? I don't know. Okay, but anyways, it's important that companies do this because it's our earth and it's our world, and we need to protect it. So I'm super proud to be partnering up with a company who is putting our earth first, because we need to take care of it. So on top of being carbon neutral, their jewelry is high quality, but still priced at a affordable rate. This makes it available to, those of us who don't want to spend $300 on a necklace, because not all of us can afford that. And on top of all this, they are running a Mother's Day sale going on. So it's buy one, get one 40% off. I'll put the link that'll take you directly to that sale in the description down below, so that you can go ahead and click on it and it'll take you there. And Mother's Day is coming up, so this is perfect for your mom or your friends or your girlfriend, your wife, or anybody who, just likes jewelry. Everybody likes jewelry. So yeah, go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for Luisa for partnering with me and for sending me these beautiful pieces. And without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so here is what we are working with. The night before, I did clean this, so I'm not sure how it got so dirty so fast, but let's get it back on track. So starting off with the dishes, it's just something that piles up, and it's like laundry. Like, you always have to do it, and I just like to get it out of the way really fast. I try to just have an empty dishwasher all the time. Obviously, that doesn't happen all the time, but if it starts filling up, I put dishes in the dishwasher in the morning mostly, and at night mostly. So if in the morning it's looking a little full, I'll run it in the afternoon, unload it before I start dinner, and then I can reload. Otherwise, I run it at night. And it really helps me just keep the sink clean and keep the dishes in there. Obviously, we're only a family of 3, so we don't pile up dishes that often. So if you have a larger family, it's probably gonna look like a different story, but we can only do our best. So now clearing off the counters. I love a cleared counter, and as I'm sure all of us do. But you'll see that I'm spraying down the counter with the Mrs. Meyer's I think it's in the scent honeysuckle, and it smells so good. If you see in the store, I definitely recommend picking it up. I saw it and I was like, I'll just pick it up. I have the lavender one already, but it's just a little too strong for me. I don't really like it that much, but I saw this one and I picked it up and I brought it home, and it just like inspired me to clean everything because it smelled so good. And it's still a couple days later and I'm still just like wiping everything down because I just want my whole house to smell like it. So I definitely recommend picking that up if you see it in your store. My favorite thing still is to clean the sink. I love like scrubbing it down. I like disinfecting it, doing the whole baking soda and vinegar, even though I think I saw on TikTok that like it's actually not a good way of cleaning, baking soda and vinegar. I'm not sure. Let me know if you've heard that, but I love a good clean sink. So I've been like really wanting my house to smell really good lately, just like constantly. I want to walk in and it smell like absolutely delicious. So I've been kind of like on the hunt for products that can do that for me. I think I seen on TikTok like a little hack where you mix like fabric or washing machine beads, like the little Gain beads. You know what I'm trying to say? Anyways, you mix that with some like water, you let it dissolve, and then you can spray it over your fabrics like curtains, couch, bed. So I think I'm definitely going to try that to see if the house will like smell good consistently. But if you have any tips and tricks, oh, there is my boyfriend. You guys haven't met him yet, but this is Donnie just coming to say hello. Yes, but anyways, back to the smelling good. And Porter's playing with the camera. Sorry, guys. Anyways, if you have any tips or tricks on how to keep my house smelling delicious, let me know because I need to know.
What do you got? So take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me.
All right, so moving on to the dining room. Just gonna get this straightened up a bit. While I have you here in this view of my butt, I'm just gonna address I have a little mark on my butt, and I did not realize until I rewatched this video back. So I have a mark on my butt this whole video. Just please try to ignore that. I'm not happy about it, but it is what it is. Yeah, that is all.
It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am gold, I'm golden. Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love.
So we recently got the new couch and the new love seat. I think you guys seen it in the last video. I'm not 100% sure. I think you did though. We're struggling to style the living room. Donnie thinks it should be set up with how it is now, with a love seat on the one side, the couch on the other, and then a couple chairs where the nugget is, and the nugget will be put somewhere else. I think that the love seat should be where the nugget is, and then a couple chairs across from it with the coffee table. I'm not sure. If you guys are good at like interior design, if any of you have any suggestions, please let me know, because I'm really struggling to style this living room. I know we need to fill it up more. We need to get a coffee table and a couple chairs for sure, and like a little cabinet for his toys. But I'm just really struggling to like style this living room, and normally like I'm pretty good at that, I like to think, but I'm really struggling. So let me know if you have any suggestions at all.
Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we?
So moving on upstairs, I'm just going to be making the bed. We did do a clean of the bedroom not too long ago, so it's not really dirty. It just needs a quick pick-me-up. I have been looking at getting a new bed frame. We've had this bed frame since our first apartment, and I think I'm ready to upgrade now that we're in a big master bedroom. I want like a nice big tall adult bed frame. So if you guys know any places that like sell nice bed frames for like not overly expensive, let me know in the comments below, because I definitely think this bedroom needs a pick-me-up. I do also want to paint it white, and I also think I might want to lime wash the wall that the bed is on. I think that would look really good, but I have no idea like how to lime wash. I don't know if you need a specific paint, or I don't know any of the steps to lime wash. So maybe I'll do lime wash wallpaper. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure it out. But moving on to the bathroom now, this bathroom's actually not too bad either. It just needs a quick pick me up as well. So I'm just gonna quickly do that.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
All right, so we're gonna finish up in the bathroom by washing the mirrors, and then we're gonna go back to the bedroom and try to make this bed look nicer. I see on Pinterest all these beautiful cozy looking beds, and I just want that. So I'm playing around with it here to try to see what looks good, and you'll see at the end what I kind of go with, but it still doesn't look great. I think I need a couple more like throw pillows. I just can't justify spending $30 on like a pillow. It's just kind of ridiculous. So I don't know. I'll get it one day. One day I'll have a beautiful looking master bedroom. But until then, this is what we got. And now I'm just going to go downstairs and clean the washer and dryer. I haven't given it a clean since we've moved in, and it is just kind of filthy. So giving the whole thing a wipe down, and then I'm going to run the washer on a cleaning mode, and then also wash the lint trap that it just is absolutely filthy. So you will see here.
You and I can weather any storm. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign.
All right, so we are nearing the end of the video. I just wanted to say thank you so much for clicking on it, for hanging out with me, and I hope this video has brought you some motivation to get some things done. I want to say a big thank you to Ana Luisa for partnering up with me, and just a reminder to click that link in the description below. It'll take you right to the buy one, get 40% off sale, so you can pick something up for you or your loved ones. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.